President.
Yan ang isip ninyo. And it is the almost a o sige, tatakbo na lang ako. Yung gusto ninyo eh. Sandali ha, mukhang hindi tayo nagkaintindihan. Akala ko ba kayo ang gusto akong kausapin? Which is which? You want to talk to me or I want to talk to you? You know,
We want to talk to you, President.
press and public service, hindi na kailangan kung at whose initiative. Inaambos nga ninyo kami. Huwag na natin, we do not dwell on it.
Let's put it this way. I invited you for this press conference. And siguro it's better for us to be sitting down.
You make yourselves comfortable, but if you want to get a closer view of me, I want to know the reason why. Gusto niyo malaman kung pumayat ako o tumaba ako? You know, dadating yan sa panahon ng buhay ninyo. Pagka ang tao tumatanda na, pumapayat talaga. Tumatanda na po ako. Pero I can still respond to questions from media.
Mayor, filing ngayon ng certificate of candidacy until Tuesday. Marami po nagtatanong kung anong plano po ninyo.
Well, hindi tayo nagkaintindihan dyan. Akala ko ba retired na ako? Did I not announce it several months ago? But you're thinking that I'm running? You are speculating that I am running. Is that the popular notion sa...
Yes. Yes, Mr. President.
Yan ang isip ninyo. And it is the almost a o sige, tatakbo na lang ako. Yung gusto ninyo eh.
Mayor, si Salvador Panilo nag-ingon tuhak daw ang kung dili daw senador o mayor ayan imong daganan according to attorney.
Well, let me put it this way. Kilala naman niyo ako. I've been your mayor for so many years now. You think that I can carry a national campaign at my age? Or you want me to die? Magkukulaps lang ako niyan eh. Well, anyway guys, I think that at my age, 73, mukhang hindi ko na kaya. Let us be realistic about it.
Pero are you considering local position?
Well, I am open to suggestions from the media. What do you think I should be gunning for? You yan.
Mayor.
Who else? Ikaw. Sino pa?
Also the
Of course, Mayor.
Mayor tayo.
Mayor, sure,
Kaya mo
Mayor?
pa, Mayor? Kaya mo pa?
Sure,
Basta,
Mayor.
Mayor.
O, yan ang gusto. Is it a public clamor? Sa media? Well, is the media's sentiment now reflect the
Yes, of course.
community
Yes, of course.
gusto ng tao, ibig sabihin?
Yes,
Sige, mag-mayor tayo.
Mayor Baste and
What will happen to Mayor Baste?
He should be the vice mayor. Kasi ako matanda na, 73 ako ngayon. I should be, I think about mga 75, 76. may cancer kasi ako. Makakalaan yun lahat ng tao healthy. Baka hindi pa rin inabot.
It's going to be Duterte.
You're going to appear kasi yung Quadcom ng Congress wants you to appear sa...
Well, if it's their pleasure, why not?
So are you going to...
Yes. Anong gusto niyang malaman sa akin?
They're investigating yung extradition
Ako, totoo yan.
and
Wala.
relations sa Pogo and other...
Wala ako. Wala
illegal drugs.
wala tayong pugo. Kaya nga namamatay yung mga tao dito dahil dyan sa illegal drugs. Pugo, that is, we are too far away from that. Hindi mo ka alam maglaro ng pugo. Alam mo maglaro ng pugo.
So you're going to appear, Mayor,
Sa,
sa Congress.
well, if they will invite me. I just hope that they would ask educated questions.